Hi 10th class students, today we are discussing about the 10.4 exercise conversion of solid one shape to another shape. Before doing this one, page number 262, think and discuss problem children. One time listen this problem. Here two types of cylinders are available to us. The first one is 1 centimeter diameter, 4 centimeters height. The other one is 4 centimeter diameter, 1 centimeter height. 4 centimeter diameter, 1 centimeter height. See this one. Which barrel shown in the adjacent figure can hold more water? Discuss with your friends. To understand what has been discussed, let us consider some examples. This is the problem. Which one got more water? Which cylindrical object hold more water? The first one or second one? Here base diameter is 1, height is 4. Here base diameter is 4, height is 1. Here measurements are different. Diameter is 1, height is 4, diameter is 4, height is 1. Which can hold more water means we need to find the volume of water of the both cylindrical tubs. Okay children, first of all we need to find volume of the first object. Diameter, that is D1 is 1 centimeter, implies radius of the first object R1 is equal D1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 centimeter children. The height of the first object H1 is equal 4 centimeter. Then volume of the cylinder V1 is equal formula, you know that, pi r square R1 square H1. So 22 by 7 into R1 is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into H is 4. 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 ones. You get 22 by 7 square centimeters children. This is 3.14 cubic centimeter, not square, cubic centimeter. This is the volume of the first cylindrical container. Now we need to go for second one. The first one is this one. Diameter of the second cylindrical tub D2 is 4 centimeter, implies radius R2 is equal to D2 by 2, which is 4 by 2, 2 centimeters. Height of the second cylindrical tank H2 be taken as 1 centimeter. Now find the volume of the second one. So volume is equal, V2 is equal pi R2 square H2, which is 22 by 7 into R2 is how much here? 2 centimeters. 2 into 2 into height is 1. That is 22 fours, 88 by 7. Otherwise 22 by 7 into 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 1 is 4. 3.14 into 4. Multiply this one, 4 4s are 16. 1 remainder, 4 1 is 4, 5. 4 3s are 12 cubic centimeters. So this is the volume of the second cylindrical tub. Cylindrical tub, first one or second one. So which one hold more water? First one hold 3.14 cubic centimeters. Second one can hold 12.56 cubic centimeters. From this two problems onwards, we clearly understood that the second cylindrical tub can hold more water. Okay, now go through the example 14 children, right. Go through the example 14. A cone of height 24 centimeter, radius of base is 6 centimeter, is made up of modeling clay. Modeling clay, you know that బంకమట్టి కావచ్చండి, లేకపోతే ప్లాస్టర్ ఆఫ్ ప్యారిస్ అయినా కావచ్చు. ఏ చైల్డ్ రీషేప్స్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ స్పియర్. ఫైండ్ ద రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ స్పియర్. ఒక కోన్ ఉంది, మోడలింగ్ క్లేతో చేశారు. దాన్ని చిన్న పిల్లవాడు ఏం చేశాడు, రీషేప్ తొక్కేశాడు, శుభ్రంగా స్పియర్లా తయారు చేశాడు. లెట్ us see this one. This is the cone. Conical object of base radius is the cone of height 24 centimeter, 24 centimeter height, base radius is 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Now is made up of modeling clay. This one reshapes. Child దీన్ని ఏం చేశాడమ్మా, శుభ్రంగా ఒత్తేసాడు, మట్టిని ఒత్తేసి ఈ విధంగా తయారు చేశాడు. చిన్నప్పుడు మీరు ఆడుకునే ఉంటారండి, మట్టితో తయారు చేసిన రకరకాల షేప్స్ తయారు చేస్తుంటారు. సో ఈ షేప్లో ఉంది, ఆ షేప్ తయారైంది. అయితే రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ స్పియర్ ఎంత అవుతుంది కనుక్కోమంటున్నాడు. సో అకార్డింగ్ టు ప్రాబ్లం, వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ కోన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్పియర్. సో see the solution children. Height of cone h1 is equal h is equal 24 centimeter. Radius, base radius of cone r1 is equal to 6 centimeters. Therefore volume V1 is equal, formula 1 by 3 pi r square h1, r1 square h, because radius is taken as r1, so 1 by 3 pi r1 square h, 1 by 3 into, keep like that only, no problem, cubic centimeters. Now this cone is reshaped into the sphere. So let radius of sphere, we don't know, radius of sphere is taken as r2 centimeters. Volume V2, formula you know that 4 by 3 pi r2 cube, cubic centimeters. According to problem, the cone is reshaped into sphere. అంటే కోన్ లాగా ఉన్నదాన్ని మోడలింగ్ క్లేని స్పియర్ లాగా తయారు చేశాం. కాబట్టి వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ కోన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ స్పియర్. అకార్డింగ్ టు ప్రాబ్లం, వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ కోన్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ స్పియర్, దట్ ఈస్ 1 by 3 pi r1 square h is equal to 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. 3 ones cancel, pi ones cancel, r1 square h is equal to r2 cube, implies r2 cube is equal r1 square h, that is r2 cube is equal, r1 is how much here children, 6 into 6, height is how much, 24. So r2 cube is equal 6 into 6 into 6 4s are 24. Oh sorry, here 4 is also there for us, 4 into 24 by 4, 4 ones 4 sixes, r2 cube is equal 6 cube, implies R2 is equal to 6 centimeters. So, the radius of the sphere is equal to 6 centimeters. This is the problem. Tomorrow we have to discuss the remaining problems. Think and discuss. Do these problems are there in the 263 page. So, you have to practice these two problems, children. Okay, bye.